A trip to the zoo. My name is Dara. One Saturday morning, my parents take my little sister Lily and me to the zoo. I feel very excited because I love animals. The weather is sunny, and the sky is bright blue. We arrive at the zoo early, and many families are already there. First, we visit the elephant area. The elephants are big, strong, and gentle. They use their long trunks to eat bananas and drink water. My sister laughs happily when one elephant sprays water into the air. Next, we walk to the monkey house. The monkeys jump from tree to tree and play with each other. One funny monkey makes silly faces, and everyone laughs. I take many pictures with my camera. After that, we visit the lion enclosure. The lion is resting under a large tree. My father tells me that lions are called the king of the jungle. I think the lion looks powerful and brave. Then, we see the giraffes. They have very long necks and eat leaves from the tops of tall trees. We also visit the zebra area and watch the black and white striped animals running together. At lunchtime, we sit under a shady tree and eat sandwiches, fruit, and juice. While we are eating, we see colorful birds flying above us. The birds sing beautiful songs, making the zoo feel peaceful. In the afternoon, we watch the penguins swim quickly in the water. They look cute and funny. My favorite animal is the panda because it is calm, friendly, and loves eating bamboo. Before we go home, we stop at the zoo gift shop. My parents buy me a small elephant toy and buy Lily a cute panda doll. We thank them and promise to take good care of our gifts. On the way home, we talk about our favorite animals. I learned that every animal is special and important. We should love animals, protect nature, and keep the environment clean. It is one of the happiest days of my life. I cannot wait to visit the zoo again with my family.